Today we will be discussing shades, tints, and intensity. As we know from our previous unit in this class, the color wheel is comprised of primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. As a quick review to the past unit, we remember that primary colors are your three main or initial colors: red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors are made by mixing primary colors together to make a different color. And tertiary colors are made by mixing primary and secondary colors together. We also discussed finding complements and how we are able to locate them on our color wheel by locating the color opposite of your initial color. Now, knowing where each color on the color wheel comes from, we are now able to break each individual color down into even more refined colors, otherwise known as tints, tones, shades, and overall intensity. These concepts can be broken down into two sections. The first, value. Value is adding lightness or darkness to a hue by adding black or white. This is how we break down shades and tints. Shades are created when we add black to a hue. This creates a darkness in the hue and removes the light. One way to remember this term is to think of closing shades over a window. When you add shades to the window, you are taking away the light and adding darkness to the room. The next term is tints. Tints are created by adding white to a hue. This is also how pastels are created. When we add white to a color, we are increasing the lightness of the color. The next concept is intensity. Intensity is the brightness or dullness of a color. When we talk about brightness of a hue, we are referring to the pure form of that initial hue. In contrast, dullness is removing the intensity or brightness of that hue. We are able to create dullness by adding a color of complement to your initial color or by adding gray. These will create a tone to your color. These techniques can provide you with a vast variety of different colors that can be used when a primary, secondary, or tertiary color does not meet the needs you are looking to fill. These terms are important to remember as we move forward in this course, especially as we move onto our color schemes unit next section.